Good morning, student. Student, MCQ on the topic vector algebra is started today. Question number 1. If lambda into vector 3i plus 2j minus 6k is a unit vector, then the value of lambda is. Since this vector is unit vector, student, let it is a vector. It is lambda 3i cap plus 2j cap minus 6k cap and the mod of a vector is 1 because it is a unit vector. Therefore, root of 9 lambda square plus 4 lambda square plus 36 lambda square equal to 1. Since it is root 49 lambda square equal to 1 and it is plus minus 7 lambda equal to 1, then lambda equal to plus minus 1 upon 7 and A option is correct here. Question number 2. The figure formed by point this is a. So there are 4 points. Solution 2. Let 4 points are like that A, B, C, D. Let us find AB vector. It is OB minus OA. It is the position vector of A. So let it is OA vector. It is OB vector. It is OC vector. And it is OD vector. Then OA minus OB. It is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus I cap minus j cap minus k cap. It is I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap and mod of AB vector, mod of AB equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 is root 6. Similarly, we will find AB BC vector. It is OC minus OB and it is OC 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 2k cap minus it is 2i cap minus 3j cap. It is I cap plus 2j cap minus 2k cap. Or it is mod of BC is root of 1 plus 4 plus 4 which is 3. Then mod of AB, BC, CD vector. Let's find CD vector. So it is OD minus OC. So it is K vector minus J vector minus C vector. It is 3i minus 5j minus 2k. Then it is 3i cap minus 6j cap minus k cap and mod of CD is 9 plus 36 plus 1. It is root 46. Then let's simplify dA vector. dA vector is OD minus OA minus OD. OA minus OD. It is A vector I plus J plus K vector minus D. K vector plus J vector. It is K cancel. I vector plus 2J F. Then mod of dA is root of 1 plus 4 root 5. Says no magnitude of all these vectors are not equal, but there is I plus 2J. It is 3I. Students, there is plus 3K, so it is plus 3K. If we take minus 3 common, then it is I plus 2J minus K. This vector is parallel to CD vector. CD vector parallel to AB vector. So since CD parallel to AB, therefore figure is a trapezium. It is trapezium. And C option is correct. So now question 3. If A and B are two unit vectors inclined at angle pi by 3, then the value of mod A plus B is. Solution 3. Mod of A plus B equal to root, there is a formula, mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 mod A mod B cos theta. Here theta is pi by 3 and A and B are the unit vectors. So it is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2, 1 into 1 into theta is pi by 3 and cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. 2 to cancel. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It is root 3. So it is greater than 1. And B option is correct here.